Hi, my name is Maitri, and I cleared my PCE exam with a study buddy. I completed my physiotherapy in India in 2021, and I came to Canada in 2022 as an international student, taking the course of post-graduation diploma in recreation therapy. I recently completed my PCE exam to practice and being competent in Canada to practice as a physiotherapy. When I was about to start my preparation for PCE, I thoroughly went through a lot of courses on the website, but later when reaching out to my seniors and my friends, they suggested me to go with the study buddy. On top of that, Ankit sir's one of the live lecture was free, and I enrolled into that lecture and attended that lecture, which helped me to make a decision that I have to take a course and I want to take a course with study buddy only. Also, after getting the access from study buddy, I can go into the academic portal, which has live lectures, notes, presentation slides, books, especially according to the CAPR key reference list, which were more crucial for me as I came as a student, and that allowed me to read from the books too. Also, they added me in the WhatsApp group where I can discuss my doubts with the students, faculties of the study buddy, and importantly, they were replying quick enough to clear your doubts and in a thorough manner. The live lectures link, and if you didn't get there ready to share in the group, that's also important for me. Study buddy has the important thing where all the subjects are being covered by different faculties such as musculoskeletal and cardio by Ankit sir, who makes your concept and your topic so clear that you can directly correlate with the practical scenario if it comes to neuro by Mayank sir, who's also known as Neuro Guru. With he made neuro for me so easy that by giving all the mnemonics, by giving all the tricks, making the best topic of the neuro to understand you so easily and relating with the practical scenarios. He also gives practical scenarios in the lectures where you can feel like, okay, if this scenario I have seen or it comes in the future, I'm ready to treat the patient with so much confidence. Also, the other system and the multi-system are being covered by Pooja ma'am and Purvi ma'am, which really helped me to understand the deeper multi-system structure, and that really helped me to in my exams too. Also, the mentorship, which was the sign-in bonus for me, where where Ankush sir and Anisha ma'am gave me the real guidance for my perspective with the PCE, all the topics, all the rationals, all the practice questions that they gave me really helped me to clear the PCE. Where I was feeling unmotivated and depressed, they boosted my confidence to showing faith in me and telling me to work harder where I was lacking the topics understanding, and that really helped me in passing the PCE exam. Also, I remember that Ankush sir suggesting me to work more harder in a certain way where I can really appear in exam with the confidence where my confidence was low. I still remember that he suggested me, I would say, to postpone the exam if possible so that I can clear my exam with a better marks, and but I have the limited time frame, so he personalized my all the studying material and asked me that if you will work harder you can do it in the certain time frame, and that really helped me and motivated me to clear the exam. It took me 5 months to clear the PCE exam along with my full-time work. Where I come from the work, I had 9 to 5 job. So I come from the work, I do my household chores, and then I study until 12 o'clock midnight, and then again back to the work in the morning, waking up early. Importantly, I used to carry my iPad and my one of my book where I used to write because I'm a writing learner. And in the bus too, in the train too, whenever I get a chance, I just open the lectures, read it, and do it in the bus and in the train, which helped me to achieve my goal in a certain time frame, as we all know that it's gonna change in the near future, like from PCE to CPTE. And I want to appear in PCE, so I gave my all determination into one thing only, with a clear goal to pass a PCE exam with Studybuddy. Time management during the exam: need 1 minute rule to finish the exam in a clear and precise manner. This was being introduced to me by Ankush sir, that do not spend more than 1 minute on the one question. If you feel like you need to revisit this question, just flag it and go to the another question so that you can finish in a certain time frame. um, Also, that certain question needs certain like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, so collectively gathering all those seconds into a minute, converting into a minute, and utilizing those at the end of the uh, exam, that was more crucial and important to me. Like, also I would say that your first intuitions are always right. So whatever you feel like the first time, just go with that and flag it. This was also been given to me by Ankush sir. It took me 5 months to clear the PCE exam along with my full time work. After coming from my work, I used to do my household chores and sit for the study for like 4 to 5 hours by watching the recorded videos, attending the live lectures, and solving some of the questions to make me into a daily practice of solving the questions. The last 1 month of the preparation was so intense that I have to take some days off from my work to study more harder and achieve my goal in the first attempt. Where I just come back from the work, wake up in the morning and just do the books, making the my own notes, referring to the notes where I have already prepared in while watching the live lectures. Also, by watching the recorded lecture, you can pause and you can make the notes. That makes my last few weeks of the study more practical and more easier, where just turning the pages and referring the topics which I was lacking in. Also, the mentorship lectures that Ankush gave me late while joining and signing up for the mentorship, that really helped me to clear the PCE exam. Um, and As it was transition for from PCE to CPTE, and I don't want to appear for like more bigger exam, I want to clear my exam in certain time frame. So it took my all determination and hard work and dedication just to achieve one goal in one attempt, and that really helped me with the study buddy portal and all the lectures, all the notes, all the recordings. So the time management in PC preparation is more crucial. For example, when I was commuting using the bus or the train, I used to take my notes too with me. So whenever I get a time, I sit down and start learning the topics that I have did it before, or in the topics where I'm lacking. But you need to give your dedication towards your work that you do, towards the study that you do. Also, after completing my household chores and after coming from work, household chores, after finishing all the basic things in my house, I gave like 9 p.m. to 12 p.m., particularly for the studies, where I attend my lectures, I solve the questions I if I feel like it's more important to solve the questions in this topic, or generally solving the questions and making the notes. That helped me to stay focused with all the studies throughout my preparation period. Also, the most crucial part is having a support, whether it can be your family, friends, your husband. For me, it was my husband who was the solid stone towards my preparation, where he understood all the needs, being motivate being the motivational speaker for me, or whatever one can have a partner as. And he helped me for all the single things that it can help me for my preparation for my PCE exam, doing the household chores, or bringing me stationaries from the stores, or whatever way possible. He helped me from his heart, and it was the cherry on the top that everyone should, I feel like, have it in the end of the days. But anybody can do it if they have their own self determination and self motivation within them. So, the three tips that I would like to give the student who are appearing for PC or CPTE exam, that be consistent with your preparation. If you can only give 2 to 3 hours in a day, but be consistent with that, and later try to increase more studying hours or the practice that you are doing. Second thing is be fundamental and be more into basics. If you have like clear basics, you can do any possible questions that come into your exam. Clearing basic, like taking or writing in a sticky note and putting on your wall with diagrams, or however you learn it in a way. My practice was like, if I know that this is the mnemonic that I would like to remember, or I have to remember, then I make a note, put it on a wall, and every day in the morning when before studying, or whenever in the evening before studying, I used to just visualize what I have did, and try to just recall what I have done in the previous sticky note, and try to recall it again. Also, visualizing the learning that you did. That would be my third tip, that whatever you have learned, whatever the topics that you have done day before yesterday or yesterday, try to remember that topic before going to the further topic, so that the one topic would be clear, and then you can correlate that topic with the another topic. Such as if you are doing the knee joint, like common genu welcome and genu verum, so you have to know what goes into the hip too. Like, so clearing the hip before going to the knee, that would be my most essential thing. Like, if you have like clear understanding for the hip, you would know that can impact, those muscles can impact to the knee as well. All the best to all the students who are appearing in the exam. I gave my PCE and you gonna give CPT, but all the best for your future, for your dedication, and self belief is most important. So believe in yourself and crack it, and you can. Thank you so much.